Welcome to Rani's Entertainment. Today's I'm going to show you how can you make a BTS bookmark. So first we'll take a white color sheet, don't use any other color sheets, and from the four sides one from the top, one from the below, and the two sides you have to fold a little bit, okay, because we'll add like a type of we'll do different in that place. But if you don't want to do like that, no problem, it's okay. So don't forget to like this video, share the friends and the families, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, also comment if you have any suggestions or anything about this video. Also after 1,000 subscribers by 31st October I will be doing my face silver video. It is 24th October and it is 25th October and I haven't got 900 also, and I will like it 1000 by 31st October. If I don't get, then we will be very late for the special video. So first guys, I have done like that, and now the color. Okay, so I will be using a red color and that yellow ochre or that gamboge color I will be using. Okay, so one on the top color and another on the below. So this I'm keeping as below the red below portion. So you can also use the both same colors or you can use different colors also. And so I'm using the paintbrush also, and homemade watercolors or homemade colors. Both the links are in the description box. You can check them out after this video. Okay, so I have created some playlists also. If you haven't seen them, no problem, you can check them out. The links are in the description box, but make sure to check them out after this video. Okay, and after 1 lakh subscribers I will be doing my Q&A part 2 with face reveal. So if you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem, you can check it out. The link is in the description box. And after 1 million subscribers I will be doing how I edit my videos. Okay, on that topic I will be making a video. So guys, you could see the red color is all done, and so I am using the gamboge color right now. Okay, sorry, it's not gamboge, it is the yellow ochre, I think so. So if you don't like to use these two colors, no problem, you can use any other color also. On your choice, depends. Okay, you can use one color also, it's not a problem. So now if you have fold the sides, you can open them up and just take a little bit of water on the side. So I've just took a bit of water and I applied it my table, and then I put these sides, so it's gone like that. Okay, if you don't want to do like that, no problem, but I thought I will do like this and how it will look. Let me test after it gets bad. Okay, so now I have to draw like this logo type something. Okay, so I have to draw like this. I have seen many times that for BTS these are I think main. Okay, so I saw this. I think it's a logo of BTS. I just don't know because I haven't seen so much of videos and all those about BTS. So I don't know it is a logo or what. But I saw very pics like these in Google that these are there. So I thought, okay, let us try. So they have used in Google, they have used glitter sheet or black color, all those. So I thought, okay, I will not use black color, I will use blue color. So you can use blue color, any color, red, blue, but blue and black I think both are, means they both will look nice. Okay, so this one side is already done guys, and let us do on the other side and then we'll see what we'll do next. I'm done with that, and so guys, now I have to write BTS at the top. Okay, and remember, like BTS will write, so B is like this, then T will be also capital only like this, but S will be little, the below portion will be little more big. Okay, so that it touches this logo type one. Okay, so guys, is this the logo of BTS or it is something else? If it is BTS logo, then you can comment me, and if it's not a BTS logo, it's something else. This one, these two I told you that if it's not a BTS logo, then you can also comment below it is not a BTS logo, and if it is, then you can comment yes it is. Okay, so now I have to write the members of BTS. Okay, so I have wrote RM, then V, then I wrote Jin, and then Sugar, and then I have wrote J Hope. Now it is Jimin and Jungkook. Okay, I will write. Okay, and so it is not gonna be end right here. After that, we have to take a thread. We have to make a hole at the top of the BTS. They have written at the top of the that we have to make a hole to attach a thread over there, any color thread, so my light will get less, so you can't be able to understand that time. Okay, so that's why I told you. Okay, And so it is ready. Let us check. Yeah, so I've read till now. I will keep my bookmark here. Okay, after 2 hours, let us see what is the like now. Okay, yeah, it is coming here, means it is something. Yeah, I got it. Yes. So guys, you could see it's working also. So thanks for watching. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share, and also comment. Rani, you are a very nice person, and I want to say that thank you for supporting me in this hard process of sickness. Thank you, Rani. And guys, hope you follow Rani and like Rani. Share her video. And Rani, you're gonna copy this. আমি জানি আমার শরীর খারাপ, কিন্তু আমি তোর জন্য একটা কপি করবি, এই ভিডিওটা তুই কপি করিস। You haven't seen these videos? Why? I think you haven't checked out my channel, but no problem, you can check them now. These two videos, go check now. Bye.